Hi everyone, my name is Shreya and I'm a sophomore at EBHS, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY lava lamp using just a few household ingredients. So let's get started. To begin, you're going to need a water bottle that's about a third full, and I've already taken the liberty of putting some food coloring in it just so that it looks nicer when I add the Alka-Seltzer. You're also going to need a pack of Alka-Seltzer. This one has 2 tablets, but even one will just do. And like I said earlier, you're going to need some vegetable oil. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to start with uncapping our water bottle here. As you can see, I mentioned before that it's already colored. But if you'd like to color your water, now's the time to do so. Now slowly I'm gonna add about like the rest of almost like filling it like 3/4 full with vegetable oil. So once you've got your water bottle this full, I'm just gonna take off this wrapper so that when I put in the Alka-Seltzer, you can see the reaction happening inside of the bottle itself. Now, you can see that the oil and water are not mixing. This is due to the fact that this solution, oil and water are separate. This is due to polarity. They don't like to mix. Water does not like to mix with oil, as you probably already know. And the water sinks to the bottom because it's heavier, it's denser than oil, which is why the oil stays at the top. So you can see clearly how they're separate here. The last step is to take a Alka-Seltzer tablet. And what you want to do with this is break it in half so that it's easier to put in the bottle. And as you can see here, I'm going to put in the Alka-Seltzer. As you can see, when I add the Alka-Seltzer, this is what happens. The bubbles at the bottom begin to rise up. I'll get a close-up here. And you can see that the bubbles are rising and falling as they do in lava lamps that would generally use heat to make the bubbles rise, but here we've used Alka-Seltzer. If you want to get it more bubbly, just add another piece of a tablet and that'll do the job. Your food coloring, whatever color you use, will now start to like mix with the water. The food coloring is also water-based, so that's why it stays towards the bottom. But yeah, this is your finished lava lamp. You can continue adding Alka-Seltzer to it to keep it going. And you'll see that these bubbles at the top, they're actually carbon dioxide bubbles that are being released as a product of the reaction, because this contains an acid and a base that help to make it fizzy when it connects with water and oil. So there, I just put in 2 tablets, and now you can see the reaction's really going. There's a lot of bubbles going. And you could probably even hear the fizz. Similar to when you're opening a soda can and then you hear a sudden fizz. That's the carbon dioxide being released. And you can see at the bottom that you're forming a precipitate, which is just a remainder of the Alka-Seltzer that isn't used up for gas. So there you have it, a quick 5-minute, just 4-ingredient lava lamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to experiment with the colors of your food coloring, the type of oil you use. That can also make a difference. Here I've used olive oil, but you can also try to use baby oil or vegetable oil. Those will work well as well. And you can even try putting it in a mason jar to make it look a little bit fancier. And also with this, if you want, you could turn off the lights and shine a flashlight through it so then you can really see like the effect that the lava lamp gives in the dark. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about density and polarity of oil and water and how it can come together to create a fun lava lamp experiment. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!